in Jamaica.
Me love Jamaica, me nah sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there, yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Rosemary fruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Jumping on the river when me ready for bed.
Good morning, it's Jamaica Day and I'm so excited. I'm sitting here on the bed, lallygagging. Honestly, I have so much to do, as in finalizing my toiletries, but I didn't get a chance to do all of my digital stuff, like all of the gears, so that's what I've been spending the last hour doing. I really need to give it up at this point, because otherwise we're going to be late. So let's get into this day, y'all. So excited.
Yes, I'm coming. I'm zipping up the last bag. Ready, babe? You were 195, right? You were 195? 243, so we're good? Road's clear. Okay. We're gonna go park the car, guys. But then the red says none. We're ready for the road, y'all. We ready for the road. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back.
You guys, if you can tell where we are, we're in an airport parking garage. And we're heading to Jamaica.
That's right. It's carnival season, you know, starting off February with Trinidad and us going down the lineup with all the islands. So, yeah, this year we take you all to Jamaica for carnival. So, come on, let's go see. We don't want to try and miss our flight, though, so let's roll.
So they locked the gates at 10. Guys, we are all checked in, all cleared, screening, everything's good. But I haven't had coffee since this morning. We've been up since 5. Hubby has not slept yet. So we need some coffee, okay? But I'm telling you guys right now, the excitement has officially kicked in. Officially. And if you haven't seen yet, these are my nails. I'll try to show you. Can you guys see them? Can you see it? It's giving carnival baddie. White chocolate mocha, yeah. It's not sweet. Aw, babe. You're my baby, but I'm missing my other baby. Good morning. Good morning. How you doing? Awesome. Y'all enjoy your trip.
Thanks
so much. Have a good one. You too. We are finally on the plane. Boarding was super easy. Nothing.
Flight crew, prepare for departure.
So we are connecting through Fort Lauderdale. The flight time is about an hour and 15 minutes. And then from there, we have a 1 hour and 20-minute layover. Honestly, it's just from time we land to boarding is about 45 minutes. So not too bad. But guys, I can't believe we're here. Like, I'm so excited. So excited.
So I just separated from Travis. We are heading, well, he's going to the gate and get something to eat. We have 35 minutes till boarding. I'm exiting to grab a dress for one of my friends. She needs it for tonight. Just so happened I'm in Fort Lauderdale and that's where her dress was. So wish me luck. TSA doesn't look crazy, so hopefully I can make it in and out. Alright, got everything and I'm gone back inside. In here is empty, guys. Now this is blessings on blessings. I think I'm gonna stop here and put it all together. And this suitcase, guys, I left partially empty. This has the drone and my grandmother's cookies in it. I'm in the middle of the people at the airport, y'all. And it fits. Alright, let me call my husband and let him know that it was in and out. See where he's at. No lines, pretty much. No lines. Huh? Yeah. We're currently waiting for our flight to board for Jamaica. We're at the gate and it's very crowded. We're F again. Last, bottom of the barrel. I don't care. Give me discounts on my plane ticket. I do not need to board the flight super early. You ready for yard?
Y'all ready for me?
Oh yeah, that's so true. Travis is definitely the Trinidad carnival person. If I won't say Trinidad, that's rude. St. Thomas is definitely more soca than Jamaica. And so he grew up on this soca stuff. So he's there to judge the heck out of Jamaican carnival. So don't take him smiling and all of that, because he's not with it until we prove him that we can truly give a good time for carnival. So what are you looking forward to the most? What are you looking forward to the most?
Well, I guess I go say this is my first time doing like a field juve. Like juve in a
We
park.
ain't gonna be in the field, we're walking down the road. Well, it's starting in the field.
Yeah. And then they're going where?
On the road.
Are you sure?
Yes, we're going on the road. Brightness. Going home to Jamaica? Yes, I'm Jamaican, but we're going for carnival.
Where's the carnival?
Kingston.
You're going to Kingston? So how much days?
So we're going for 7 days, but carnival started, all the activities started on Monday.
You have a blast at the carnival.
Oh yeah, man, I can't wait. First time doing carnival in Jamaica, yes. But I'm from Jamaica.
I hear it.
Yeah.
Gonna have a good time though.
Oh yeah, I can't wait. We touched down in a Jamaica. We touched down in a Jamaica. Oh, this is so cute. Immigration line is non-existent because of this new procedure. So easy. All right, guys, we're about to just switch out some money really quick. I know the rate is not always the best, but first bag off. They didn't have any cars, but Bernice, big up yourself, and her supervisor, she hooked us up, and now we can go on our way. So let's hit the road, y'all. And we save so much money. Like, honestly, you cannot discount good service, and sometimes in Jamaica you don't get it. Like, she was so calm, so patient, just really. And there were 2 other people in front of us that didn't get cars. They have to come back, okay? So, who God bless, no man curse. Who God bless, no man curse. You hear that? You see this, right? Thank you.
Red Bull.
Guys, we're in Jamaica. We're doing a TikTok and I'm trying to listen to the words and it's not loading. Guys, literally, God attempted to delay us because let me tell you how they didn't have the rent-a-car and they said wait 2 hours. And then we literally just left the airport. What happened? The tire blew out. Like, literally just blew out randomly. It's so crazy. So, this is the view though as Travis is changing it, but I'm being the lookout because that means it's just a very busy road. Very, very busy road. We pulled off as much as we could. Don't fit. Guys, so one of the delivery drivers, only person stopped and asked if we're okay. And in my help. That's so nice. There's still good people in the world. All right, guys, we're just leaving the maintenance place just to give you an update. We're finally gonna hit the road. We got here at 2, it's now 5. We need to go before the sun goes down. We're gonna try and see if we could get some to eat because we eat nothing. So come over, see what we can get. You have any soup ready? Fish tea? Yeah, man. Can I have 2? You want large fish tea? They have a beef. Oh, this is so cute. It looked nice. It's just water. Just water. Nothing swimmable though, but I like it. Them a festival. It's hot? She says 700 for the fish.
they just come out the pot, you know? They just come out the oil.
Him say it really hot, yeah.
Just come out?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. First of all, nice and hot.
So that's
700, 850. This is making all of the stuff worth it. All the setbacks. Yeah. Oh yeah, man. Thank you. Yeah, you watch YouTube?
Yeah, well, I like to see those videos.
Yeah, you can follow us on YouTube. Well, your food tastes good. Nice and hot. Guys, the place set up good. Them have bucket for wash your hands, soap and thing. And this is where we are. Kirk Seafood Fridays by the Sea. We're here, people. We finally make it. Oh my goodness. Let's go see the store, you guys. Big man ting. Here at Artwell & Co. Fancy. Hello. Hi, Nakisha's sister. Catch the boss over there, sir. Man. Man. Well, I'm so proud of you. You're there on the vlog.
Oh, you mean?
Big up yourself.
I pop up my own.
Yes, pop it up, pop it up. I'm so proud. You so made it. Nice.
You want ball?
Jamaica treat my bud already.
Alive, because you don't get the flag.
You see up on the side of the road. No, sir. Hi guys, we're in the Airbnb. We're getting ready to go to our first party. It's called Fete Gala. You want me to go? You can't be looking the way you do. You can't be cooking the way you do. Because you look at me. Oh my goodness. These are the shoes. Aren't they fabulous? So the party we're going to is called Fete Gala, an ode to Met Gala. I need to put my lip gloss on. Anyways, yeah. So it's about being a little bit creative. It's called Bloom in Blush. So, you know, blooming in blush.